Ready to see how the other half lives? These ultra-luxury home and kitchen gadgets turn everyday routines into pure indulgence. From sleek appliances to jaw-dropping designs, every detail screams sophistication and comfort. All the products you'll want are linked in the description below. Dinner just got a major upgrade. This smart countertop oven does it all: air fries, bakes, broils, toasts, and even roasts a full turkey. You can cook on 2 levels at once without flipping or rotating anything. The high-speed fan circulates heat evenly, giving you crisp perfection every time. With space for up to 20 cookies and a 90-second preheat, it's your secret to faster, healthier meals. Turn your bathroom into a private spa retreat. This 2-person Whirlpool tub surrounds you with 16 powerful water jets that target your back, legs, and feet for full-body relaxation. The sturdy acrylic build keeps heat in, while the smooth, slip-resistant base ensures comfort and safety. You can stretch out solo or unwind with someone special. It's your ticket to stress relief right at home. Who knew dessert could double as playtime? This soft-shell ice cream ball lets you make homemade ice cream just by tossing it around. Add your ingredients on one side, ice and salt on the other, then shake or roll it for 25 minutes of fun. When you're done, scoop out a pint of creamy goodness. It's a sweet mix of exercise, creativity, and dessert magic. This isn't just a sink. It's a full-on kitchen command center. The smart digital display, waterfall faucet, and pull-out sprayer make cleaning feel futuristic. A built-in cup washer blasts away residue in seconds, while the deep stainless steel basin easily fits large pots and pans. Soundproof padding keeps things quiet, and the nano coating repels stains and oil. It's sleek, high-tech, and built to make your daily cleanup effortless. Say goodbye to soggy shoes and damp gloves. This boot dryer uses warm air to gently dry everything from work boots to ski gloves in just a couple of hours. The bendable ports reach deep inside tall boots, and the 180-degree foldable rack fits gear of all shapes. You can even set a timer and walk away. Quiet, quick, and perfect for keeping your footwear fresh and ready. Your whiskey nights just got an upgrade. This clear ice ball maker crafts crystal clear spheres that melt slowly, keeping your drink cold without watering it down. Using advanced cooling tech, it makes 4 perfect ice balls in just 40 minutes and up to 144 a day. You can hook it to a water line or use its built-in tank for non-stop ice. One-touch cleaning keeps every batch pure and ready to impress. Who needs a spa when your shower can do it all? This wall-mounted electric back scrubber spins, exfoliates, and massages, reaching every spot you can't. The adjustable height makes it easy for anyone to use, and the wide rotating brush covers your whole back in seconds. It's waterproof, detachable for charging, and safe for all skin types. Smooth, clean, and refreshed without lifting a finger. Meet the chair that gives better massages than most humans. This 4D full-body recliner kneads, rolls, and stretches every inch of you from neck to feet using smart sensors that adapt to your body's shape. Slip into zero-gravity mode and you'll feel your spine instantly relax. Built-in heating soothes sore muscles, while voice control and Bluetooth let you unwind hands-free. It's pure luxury disguised as furniture. Say goodbye to bending over with a dustpan ever again. This touchless vacuum automatically sucks up dirt, pet hair, and crumbs the second you sweep near it. Built-in sensors detect motion and activate powerful suction instantly. No buttons, no hassle. It's perfect for kitchens, salons, or anywhere you want spotless floors without effort. Just sweep, and it does the rest, fast, clean, and totally hands-free. Tired of juggling multiple chargers? This 3-in-1 wall plug powers your phone, watch, and earbuds all at once. No messy cables or bulky adapters. The retractable cords slide back with a quick pull, keeping your desk neat and clutter-free. Plus, it's compact enough to toss in your bag and powerful enough to charge your devices fast wherever you go. One charger, total convenience. Wrinkled clothes before a meeting? Not anymore. This mini steam iron heats up in just 15 seconds, giving you crisp results wherever you are. Its foldable handle and lightweight body make it perfect for travel or quick touch-ups at home. You can steam clothes vertically or press them flat. No ironing board needed. The pointed tip reaches collars and buttons easily, so every outfit looks freshly pressed. It's not magic, it's magnetic. This levitating moon lamp floats silently in midair, glowing like a real lunar orb. The built-in wireless charging pad keeps your phone powered up while you enjoy the show. Its soft LED light sets the perfect mood for your desk or bedside table. Whether as decor or a gift, this zero-gravity moon turns any space into something out of this world. Why settle for a regular coffee table when yours can do so much more? This smart coffee table chills drinks in its built-in fridge while keeping snacks and fruits perfectly fresh. Bluetooth speakers fill the room with music, and ambient RGB lights dance along to the beat. Need to charge your phone or plug in gadgets? USB ports and a power socket have you covered. Sleek, modern, and versatile. It's a living room upgrade you'll actually use every day. Keeping everyone's schedule on track just got easier. This digital wall calendar turns your home into a smart planning hub for the whole family. You can color code events, assign chores, and even plan meals, all on a bright, responsive touchscreen. Sync it effortlessly with your favorite apps, so everyone stays updated in real time. Mount it on the wall or stand it on a counter, it's organization made simple and stylish. Healthy eating just got smarter. This digital kitchen scale doesn't just weigh your food, it tracks what's in it. Sync it with its free app to log calories, macros, and up to 19 nutrients so you always know what you're eating. Its sleek stainless steel surface is easy to clean, and precision sensors ensure every gram counts. Perfect for meal prep, fitness tracking, or mindful eating every day. Tired of juggling your tablet or phone while lying in bed or relaxing on the couch? This foldable holder keeps your device exactly where you want it. Its sturdy metal arm adjusts and swivels 360 degrees so you can watch, read, or video chat hands-free from any angle. Clamp it securely to your desk, nightstand, or headboard. It's strong, flexible, and perfect for everyday comfort and convenience. Ever seen water flow upward? This anti-gravity humidifier creates a stunning illusion where droplets seem to rise against gravity, paired with soft lighting and gentle water sounds. It's part decor, part relaxation therapy. With a large capacity tank and quiet mist, it keeps your air fresh for hours. You can even add essential oils for fragrance, and the built-in clock makes it both soothing and practical for any space. Your setup deserves sound that looks as good as it feels. This Bluetooth soundbar brings your music, movies, and games to life with deep bass and crisp highs. Vibrant RGB lights glow and pulse in multiple modes, turning your desk into a mini light show. Control volume your way, use the knob or quick buttons. Compact, powerful, and stylish, it's the perfect upgrade for any workspace or gaming zone. Who says a TV has to stay in one spot? This 32-inch smart screen rolls wherever you need it. Bedroom, living room, or even outdoors. It runs on Android 13 with a fast 8-core chip, giving you access to millions of apps, games, and shows. The touchscreen makes it interactive, while the built-in battery lasts hours. With a built-in webcam, swivel stand, and 2K visuals, it's entertainment on wheels. Ever wished your homemade meals could taste like fine dining? This Wi-Fi Sous Vide cooker makes that possible. Just set your temperature, connect through the app, and let it work its magic. No guesswork needed. It heats water precisely and evenly, locking in every drop of flavor and tenderness. Quiet, powerful, and app-controlled, it turns simple ingredients into perfectly cooked dishes every single time. Cooking just got a whole lot smoother. These electric salt and pepper grinders work automatically. Just flip them over and watch the spices flow. No buttons, no effort, just fresh seasoning every time. You can easily adjust how fine or coarse you want your grind, and the built-in LED light helps you see exactly how much you're adding. Sleek, modern, and perfect for everyday cooking or weekend barbecues. Hot days just got a serious upgrade. This frozen drink maker uses advanced rapid chill tech to turn your favorite liquids, juice, coffee, soda, or even cocktails into perfectly smooth slushies without needing ice. Just pour, pick a setting, and let it do the rest. You can even tweak the thickness for your perfect texture. It's effortless, fun, and keeps your icy creations ready for hours. Morning coffee just got way more exciting. This fully automatic espresso machine grinds fresh beans, froths milk to perfection, and brews everything from rich espressos to creamy lattes, all with one touch. You can even customize your own drink settings and store them for next time. With its built-in cleaning system and sleek design, it's like having a personal barista right in your kitchen. Late-night snack runs just got a serious glow-up. These motion sensor cabinet lights switch on automatically when you walk by, giving you instant visibility without fumbling for a switch. They're dimmable, rechargeable, and magnetic, so you can stick them anywhere from kitchen counters to stairways. With 5 brightness levels and a sleek, modern design, they make every dark corner feel bright, cozy, and smartly lit. Breakfast just got a tech upgrade. This touchscreen smart toaster lets you pick your bread type, browning level, and even if it's fresh or frozen, all with a few taps. Its Insta-GLO technology heats up in seconds for perfectly crisp yet soft toast every time. You can even make grilled sandwiches using its toasty mode. It's sleek, fast, and seriously smart for your morning routine. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.